Hello everyone from wherever you are, and welcome back on my channel. Today I just want to show you about the progress at Talanta City Stadium, how everything is going on, and there's some good developments there. So just keep calm and watch this video to the end, so you'll be able to see about how inside is, and also how the pitch is, and so far I think everything has been done well. The sitting area is good, and actually there is markings where the seats will be fixed, although there's not yet they have not yet started fixing the seats, but there are markings to show where the seats will be placed. So basically they're just working on the final touches on the walls, just to make sure that the walls are smooth enough. Painting work is also ongoing, just to make sure that everything looks nice. And also the playing ground has been leveled, and also although it is still under the leveling process, as you can see, the tractors are still within the area, but most of the other excess objects which were in the field has been removed. So they're just basically working on the final touches, and maybe now laying the playing turf, as the seeds will now start being placed in. So I think maybe within next week the seats should be fixed, or they'll actually start fixing the seats. But whatever, I can just be able to tell you guys, it really looks nice. So I'm just trying to take good pictures without making a lot of movements, for you just to be able to see how the place looks nicely. So basically I think whoever will be watching a match from this field, this stadium, or even attending a concert, I think it will be one of the most it will be very good, a very good experience for anyone here, because from whatever has just happened here, I think the works are very well good. You can see the pillars here. It's just basically the paintings which is going on. There's the VIP lounge from the other side, you can be able to see there, but I have not been able to access there because they have it's currently being used as a point whereby anyone who comes to visit here is taken there, just to be able to be told about what is happening and what will be the final look of the entire stadium. So it is currently not accessible at the moment, but I can be able to see from these other sides how the pitch has been done. Quite a good job from the CRBC company and the Kenyans also for doing this great job. So just leave a comment, tell me about what you think about the stadium, how you feel about it. Does it meet your expectations, or what's your overall opinion about whatever is happening here? What do you think? Does it meet your expectations, or maybe you could have, you wanted more than whatever you can be able to just see from this side? So just in the comment section, let us discuss about the same. And when they start fixing the seats, I'll be back here again, just to show you guys about what is happening. Meanwhile, just enjoy the view, and meanwhile just enjoy the view and the video to the end.